Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on integrating the Report Designer control with the TypeScript React application for creating a report. You need to set service URL to render the Report Designer control to the TypeScript React application. This API is used to interact with the server-side report processing. Let me start by setting up a new TypeScript React tab in Visual Studio Code. Then, add the Report Designer control to it. Make sure that your development environment has the following: Node.js version 8 or newer, and NPM version 3 or newer. First, I'll create a React application. The Create React app is a simple way to create a single-page application that provides a build setup with no configuration. I run this command to install the Create React app globally in the command prompt. To create a new application, I run this command. Here, template TypeScript specifies that the application will be set up with TypeScript as the programming language. The Create React app command adds the React, React DOM, React scripts, and other dependencies required for the React application. Next, I change the current directory to the application root folder. Then, I install the type definition of the Create React app and bold reports React library in the application. Next, install the jQuery package. Then, I open the root folder in Visual Studio Code. I add the script reference. Bold reports needs a window.jQuery object to render React components. I create a new file and name it globals.ts in the src folder. I copy the code from the documentation and add it to the file. I open the index.tsx file and reference the globals.ts file. Next, I want to add the scripts file reference to the application. I open the index.html file from the public folder and copy the scripts from the documentation and add it to the head tag. Next, I open the app.tsx file to add the Report Designer control. Add the code to import the React library and a CSS file named app.css. The command ESLint disable instructs the ESLint to skip checking for code issues in this file. I copy the necessary scripts from the documentation and add it to the app.tsx file. I declare the variable for the bold Report Designer component and the designer style. The designer style variable is used to store the height and width. Next, I add the app function, which will return the Report Designer component. Inside the app function, I add the div element, which acts as a container. The ID acts as a unique name for the container. Now, I configure the Report Designer in the app.tsx. The service URL is required to perform API actions with the Report Designer service. You can see how to create the standalone web API service in the ASP.NET Core or ASP.NET platform in a video I have linked in the description. Okay, let me add the service URL. Now, everything is ready to render the report. Let me run the application. I open the command prompt and run this command. It will launch the application in the default browser at the URL. You can see the Report Designer loaded in the browser. You can create stunning professional reports from here. The report definition file will be automatically downloaded by clicking the Save icon and the Save option. In this video, I have shown you how to add a report designer component to a TypeScript React application. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.